Are you an alienated family member or an alienated child? This is for you. A scrapbook that you can create to keep all the memories of the family, the events, the births, the celebrations, and the rituals. It's called While You Were Gone, and this is what it looks like. You've got templates for every season of the year. We have spring, we have summer, and you can choose from them. We have autumn and winter, and they come in a variety of different designs that you can choose from, just to show you what they look like. As a bonus, you get fully printable cut-out templates for envelopes that you can create with full instructions on how to put them together, that you can add into your scrapbook or your file to keep some memorabilia or photographs or whatever. And for the more creative ones, there's more blocks with the seasonal colors that you can cut out and play around with. This is what a page looks like. There's a calendar where you can put in the information, blocks for whatever you want. You can even put a photograph right on here, and I've got tabs for the 12 months of the year, so you can cut out at the month that you are busy with, and then for every other month go further down the tabs. If you have a PDF editor, you're welcome to do this on your computer, and if not, do this by hand. But it's a beautiful idea and a wonderful way to record the memories and the memoirs and the history for an alienated family member. Check it out on Etsy.